guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zuri Interiors. Today we are on site at a special project. It's a retirement home designed for both comfort and functionality. As we approach, you can already see how the exterior complements the serene environment. It's actually setting the tone for what's inside. The first thing that stands out is this beautifully designed laser-cut metal door. It adds a touch of elegance. The main entrance opens up to a spacious living area. It's well lit. It has 3 large windows, meaning the natural light is actually maximized. One of the standout features here is the semi-open layout. Instead of full partitions, we have a partial dividing wall. It subtly separates the spaces while maintaining a seamless flow. So moving to the right wing of the house, we have the master en suite. It features 2 generously sized windows that flood the room with the natural light, as you guys can see. So the key highlight here is the walk-in closet, complete with its own window for ventilation. This ensures a bright and airy space. The en-suite bathroom also has its own window, allowing for natural light and proper airflow. So exiting the master suite, we walk down the long hallway. It connects to the other rooms. So the next space we are going to explore is the kitchen. So this kitchen is well proportioned, as you can see, offering ample space for movement as well as storage. A secondary service exit leads to the pantry, which will provide extra storage, and while to the left we find the laundry area, which includes a window and an external door. I think this is really good for ventilation as well as easy access, yeah? So next we step into the dining room. It's not entirely enclosed, but it features a pass-through hatch which connects to the kitchen. This is ideal for serving meals conveniently. So one of the key features here is another laser-cut metal door which leads to the rear patio or the covered veranda, which is a perfect spot for the outdoor relaxation. So adjacent to the living room, we have the powder room. It's strategically placed for visitors. And next to it is the study room or the TV lounge. It will serve as a versatile space. So this room also has access to the front, as you can see, but we are going to put a pergola covered entrance. That's a stylish feature that provides shade as well as enhancing the home's aesthetic. So moving to the next wing, which is the left wing now, we have 3 additional bedrooms. The first room is well lit with 2 large windows, making it bright and airy. Next to it is the common bathroom, which is designed as a single unit. So in this case, since we are combining both the shower and the toilet, I think to optimize the space, we are going to have a glass enclosed shower cubicle with an external linen closet just to store the extra bedding, towels, and a bit of essentials. So these final 2 bedrooms are positioned towards the end of the hallway. One has 2 windows to ensure the good ventilation, but the other one is slightly smaller with a single window. But both rooms will be designed to maximize space and efficiency. So look out for what we are going to do to this in the long run. So we wrap up our tour. We are heading back to the dining room and stepping out to the rear patio. This space not only serves as a secondary exit, but it also offers an inviting outdoor area for relaxation. I mean, you just want to sit out there away from the front side, you can use this as well. So, my dear viewers, this concludes our walkthrough of this beautiful retirement home. It's really beautiful. So stay tuned as we continue with the interior design process. There's so much more to come, guys. But if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you'd love to see next. We at Zuri Interiors are really turning houses into homes, one design at a time. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.